There are some gels that will dry your hair, like it will be sounding like chips. You know when you're eating chips, that crispy sound. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am back with another video today like promised. If you have watched my previous video and the other video, you will know that I promised you guys to come back with a video on the basic hairstyling products that every single one of you needs. In my last video, I spoke about the basic hair care products that every natural hair girly needs, because I see that a lot of people tend to be very confused on what to buy. So if you have not seen that video, I'm going to link it up in the description for you. I also made a video on the basic hair tools or hair essentials that you will need. So if that video sounds like what you're interested in, I'm also going to link it up in the description for you. One more thing, if you're interested in a tutorial on how I was able to style my hair like this, I'm also going to link that in the description, so do make sure to check it out. Now that I'm done saying all I have to say to you guys, let's get right into this video. Coming out number one is gel. I nearly said eco styling gel, but I don't want to be specific because there is more than one gel in the market, so you go with the one that you prefer, because I know that some of us have very stubborn hair. For my own, eco styling gel is usually able to slick my hair very well, which is why I've never really bothered to try out any gels, so I can't really give you guys other options because this is the only gel I've used so far in my hair journey. One of the things I like so much about this gel is the fact that it lasts for so long. Like, you don't want to know when I got this gel, and you see, I don't even know when I'm going to be able to finish this particular product. I've had it for so long, but you can still see the quantity that is left in this container. Another reason why I like eco styling gel so much is the fact that it does not dry my hair too much. There are some gels that will dry your hair, like it will be sounding like chips. You know when you're eating chips, that crispy sound. Some gels, when you use them, that is how your hair feels. But eco styling gel does not dry my hair for me. I don't know for other people, but that's from my own experience. Another thing that I like so much about it is the fact that it does not flake as much as other gels. I was saying it does not flake, but it does flake. The only thing is that if you use eco styling gel to style your hair, it's going to start flaking on maybe the day 3 or day 4, and that depends on the quantity of gel that you use. If I use minimal quantity, my hair will not flake, but if I use a lot of gel in my hair, then it's going to flake, and it's usually on the 3rd or the 4th day. That's when I start to notice it. So if you're the type of person whose hair is not too stubborn, you can actually opt for this particular gel. It comes in different colors. I think there are sizes that are even bigger than this. So when you go to get it, you see this particular gel in different colors: blue, pink. There are so much options for you to even select from this particular brand. There's another one that is smaller than this one. It comes in different sizes and different colors, but whichever gel you prefer, feel free to get it, be it eco styling gel or any other brand. Coming at number 2 is edge control. I know you're wondering why does this girl have 3 different edge controls? Let me explain. So I first had this one, I think this one. I got this one, but at the end of the day, I just found myself using it only for my brows. Whenever I want to do my makeup, this is the gel that I use to slick my brows down. It's actually very strong. It holds my brows down really well. I can't remember the last time I used it on my edges, but I know that it actually has a very firm hold on hair. Even if you have a stubborn hair, I think this will suffice for you. This is the name. I don't think I showed it clearly. Is it Viz something? I can't really see, but this is the name of the gel. So if you're interested in trying this one out, you can try it. The second one here is Shine and Jam. See, if you're in this natural hair community, there is no way you tell me that you have not seen this one everywhere, or you have not seen people use it. Like, a lot of people use this particular edge control. It's very mild on the scalp as well, because I see people use it a lot to do braids and other hairstyles. It's very mild. It smells really nice. This is one of the edge controls that I've used for so long. In fact, this one, whenever it gets finished, I still go and get it because I just can't do without it. That is how much I love this particular product. For me, it slicks my hair down really well. I don't know about you, but feel free to explore other options that you have. So this is the second one. Now the next one is this TGIN edge control. This particular one, it smells amazing as well. It smells really sweet. It does not flake as well. All these other edge control that I've spoken about, none of them flakes, at least from my experience. You know, whatever I'm saying, I'm going to be only talking from my experience. I'm not going to allow what I've experience to speak for every other person, which is why I keep making reference back to myself. So this particular one does not flake as well. It smells really, really nice. It just melts into your hair. I actually used it to style this hair. It just melts into your hair and it gives you that shiny look as well. These are the 3 edge controls that I've used and I can actually speak for. There's no other one like that flakes so much. That one is very common. If I get a picture, I'll put it on the screen for you guys. It's so common, but I remember I tried it that time and it was flaking, so I just kept it to use for my brows. Since then, I never wasted my money on that particular edge control. So these are my 3 edge control. Feel free to do your research and pick anyone that works for you. Coming at number 3 is Coiling Cream. This one is a twist and define cream from TGIN. So you can use coiling creams to do, some people use it to do wash and go, twist out, braid out, all those coily hairstyles. You can use coiling cream to achieve it. There's so many coiling creams. This is not the only one, so go with whichever one that works for you. I've used this coiling cream to style my hair on, is it 2 or 3 different occasions, and it's really, really good. It gives you that coil definition that you're looking for. There was one hairstyle I did using this product. I twisted the top part of my hair. When you do hairstyles like that, twist out or braid out, with each day the coils get looser and looser and looser. It lasted for like 5 days before I just ended up scattering the whole thing. Speaking from my experience, I would say this product is 10 out of 10, but feel free to try any other brand of your choice. Last but not the least is a hair mousse. Yes, a hair mousse. This one, when you want to use it, you have to shake it and then it comes out, it forms. You see? So whenever you need to use this product, you shake it so that it forms like this and you go ahead and do whatever you want to do. So you can also use this product to do wash and go. You can use this product to do your twist out or braid out. It performs basically the same function with the coiling cream. You can also use this product to temp frizz whenever you style your hair. Maybe you are doing a slick bun or something and you don't want to use gel. You can use a hair mousse to temp the frizz on your hair. You just have to apply it. Use a bristle brush, brush it down, tie your scarf, and your hair will look very nice. So if you don't want to use gel, this is another option for you. Get yourself a hair mousse in place of the gel, or you can have the two, but whenever you don't feel like putting so much gel on your hair, especially when you have freshly washed your hair, a hair mousse is that to-go option for you. Another good thing about a hair mousse is the fact that when you use it and when you use a hair mousse, you are not going to experience product buildup the way you experience it when you use a coiling cream. When I use coiling creams, my hair gets dirty so fast because there's so much product buildup at the end of the day. But when I use this particular one, I experience less product buildup. Sometimes there's even no product buildup. This is the last product on our list today, so you decide if you need a hair mousse or not. For me, I think I'm going to keep buying it because sometimes I just like to have these things. You never know when you are going to need it. Another thing about gels is that you can use gels to slick your edges. You can use gels to, do your twist out, your braid out, or your wash and go. So a gel can also perform the same function as coiling cream. But I know that some people just like to have the different products for, different things. But I also want you to know that your gel is multi-purpose and it can also do those other stuff for you. So you decide which of these products you want. If you want to get all of them, that is good. But if you only want to get 2 or 3, that is still good. That depends on you. We have come to the end of this video, and I want to say a very huge thank you to each and every one of you that stayed all through to the end. On this channel, we do everything surrounding hair care, hair growth tips, natural hairstyles, beauty content. We also create a lot of lifestyle content. If that sounds like what interests you, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I drop a new video. Anyways, this is all I have to say for this video. Once again, thank you all for staying to the end of my video, and I will see you guys in the next. Okay, bye.